Let's take one example on Millman's theorem. Use Millman's theorem to find current through 2 plus J3 ohm impedance for the circuit shown below. We know that Millman's theorem is applicable to multiple source network, and there should be a voltage source must be in series with a resistor. Such kind of branches should be connected in parallel. In this circuit we can observe that 2 volt source is connected in series with 2 ohm, 4 volt source is connected in series with 3 ohm, and there is a 4 ohm resistor connected in parallel to 10 amp, and we are supposed to find the current through 2 plus J3 ohm. Let this be node A and this is B. So at branch AB 2 plus J3 ohm resistor is connected. To apply the Millman's theorem, first we are supposed to convert this current source into voltage source, so that the voltage source and this resistor will appear in series. So first we will convert the given current source into voltage source. In Millman's theorem, the current or the voltage in which branch is to be calculated, that branch is to be open circuited. So let's draw the equivalent circuit of above circuit. So now we'll convert this current source which is in parallel with a resistor. Will apply source transformation and convert current source into voltage source. So we know that to convert into voltage source, V is equal to I into R. I is 10 amp and resistor is 4 ohm. Therefore magnitude of voltage source is 40 volt. So 40 volt source is connected in series with 4 ohm resistor. Direction is plus minus as head end is top. The magnitude of this is 40 volt. Now the branch AB is open circuited, that is 2 plus J3 ohm resistor is removed from this branch. So now we'll find the Millman's voltage and Millman's resistance. The Millman's voltage is given by the equation Vm is equal to V1Y1 plus V2Y2 plus V3Y3 whole divided by Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3. Here V1, V2, V3 are voltage 2 volt, 4 volt and 40 volt respectively. Y1 is the reciprocal of 2 ohm resistor, Y2 is the reciprocal of 3 ohm resistor, and Y3 is the reciprocal of 4 ohm resistance. That is Y1, Y2, Y3 are conductances. Conductances are reciprocal of resistances. So we'll write here V1 is equal to, that is voltage connected to first branch, I can call it as 2 volt. V2 is 4 volt and V3 is 40 volt. Similarly Y1 is nothing but 1 upon R1, that is reciprocal of resistance connected to first branch, that is equal to 1 by 2, which is nothing but 0.5 mho. Similarly Y2 is equal to 1 by 3, which is equal to 0.333 mho, and Y3 is equal to 1 upon 4, which is equal to 0.25 mho. Now we'll substitute V1, V2, V3 and Y1, Y2, Y3 in equation 1. Therefore I can write Vm is equal to 2 into 0.5 plus V2 is 4 into 0.333 plus V3 is 40 into Y3 is 0.25 whole divided by Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3, that is 0.5 plus 0.333 plus 0.25. Now let's simplify this. So simplifying this, we'll get Vm is equal to 11.38 volts. So here Vm is Millman's voltage. Now let us find Millman's resistance Rm, which is given by Rm is equal to 1 upon Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3. So substituting the values, 1 upon Y1 is 0.5 plus Y2 is 0.333 plus Y3 is 0.25. So now we'll simplify this. Point 0.5 plus 0.333 plus 0.25, which is 1.083, taking 1 upon that, which is nothing but 0.9233. So this is Millman's resistance Rm, that is 0.9233 ohms. After calculating Millman's voltage and Millman's resistance, we are supposed to draw Millman's equivalent circuit. Millman's equivalent circuit is nothing but connecting Vm and Rm in series. So this is Rm and Vm is connected in series. Now to this terminal in which the voltage or the current is to be calculated is supposed to be connected here. So here we are supposed to connect 2 and J3 ohm resistor, which is removed from the circuit at the beginning. So here the value of Vm is 11.38 and value of Rm is 0.9233 ohm. Now let's find the current in this branch. So I is equal to V by R, which is equal to V is nothing but Vm by Rm plus 2 plus J3, or we can apply KVL to this circuit, that is Vm is equal to I into Rm, that is nothing but 0.9233 I plus 2 plus J3, 2 plus J3 I, that is Vm is nothing but 11.38 is equal to 0.9233 I plus 2I plus J3I. Simplifying this, we'll get 11.38 is equal to 2.9233 plus J3I. Simplifying this, I is equal to 11.38 divided by 2.9233 plus J3. Now keep the calculator in complex mode. The numerator value is 11.38 divided by 2.933 plus J3, that is 3I, which is equal to 1.896 press shift equal, you will get imaginary term, that is minus J 1.945. Here the current value is in rectangular form. It's better to keep the answer in polar form also. That is, just press shift plus sign, there will get R angle theta is equal to 2.71, that is I is equal to, press shift plus sign, there we have R angle theta. It gives the result in polar form, that is 2.716. 2.716 is the magnitude. Press shift equal, it gives the angle. Angle is minus 45.74. That is, angle is minus 45.74 amps. So this is the current which flows through 2 plus J3 ohm resistor. Thank you.